Sorry, don't got much to say. You guys take my tunes away. But we're gonna rekey this lock, master key style, in real time. But I don't have a working key, so I gotta get it unlocked. I'm gonna start with an uncut key and a shim. An uncut key. I'm gonna put gentle pressure, just barely indenting the finger while I work the key backwards. You'll see it sliding in like that. That's me catching the shear line, and we got it unlocked. We'll slide our follower through. We're going to start on the key with all the lowest cuts, which happens to be the master on this one. We'll go to our fancy pin tray that Austin made us, old Fozzie here. High-tech handwriting in there. Alright. We're not reading out the numbers to you, so that's not relevant to this situation. Put it in upside down. There's a little, my eyes aren't as good as they used to be. Our shear lines, we got pins in it. Key 1 works. Slide that guy in. I remember that one's this. I remember that one's this. And I remember that one is not what I thought it was, but is that one. I remember what number, I just couldn't remember the pin size. There we go. We're flush, all even. We'll slide it back into our follower with our follower. We'll take the shim out of the way. You leave it in, you can take it out, whatever's easiest. Voila. Keys turn. Keys turn. Hold it in because I haven't put the retaining ring on. Retaining ring. Slide that back on. Click. And there you go. Real time. Lock rekeyed, no working key. You put it back into the handle. Put the back on. Put it in the door. You pass go. There you go, in real time.